Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you own a 2024 Toyota Corolla and want to personalize your radio screen, you might feel limited at first because the system doesn't always show obvious customization options. Many users think they're stuck with the default layout, but that's not true. The infotainment system actually allows you to adjust things like shortcuts, display layout, brightness, and even connected apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The tricky part is knowing where these settings are hidden. The good thing is that once you explore the right menu, you can quickly customize the screen to match your preferences and make your driving experience more convenient. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Toyota Corolla infotainment system. Step 2. Tap on Settings or Menu on the home screen. Step 3. Go to Display or Screen Settings. Step 4. Adjust brightness, contrast, or theme. Step 5. Customize home screen shortcuts or connected apps. Step 6. Save changes and return to the main screen.